Hi, for this exercise, we have to read the questions and the answers. Question number 1. The theft occurred between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. What were you doing when the thieves were still in your neighbor's house? Mention 3 consecutive activities. Use first, after that, and then. I finished my bed, and first I was putting clothes, and after that I went downstairs and then watched a movie. After that, I was eating my dinner with my headphones on. Question number 2. What were you doing from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. today? I was driving back home from work. First, I was bathing, and after that, I was eating my dinner, and then I was listening music with my headphones. Question number 3. Who do you live with? What were you doing before, during, and after the theft? Mention 3 persons and 2 activities of each one. I live with my mom, my sister, and my brother. Before the theft, I was driving back home with my brother. We entered the house and my sister was having troubles folding the sheets and the towels. My brother went upstairs and my sister and I were folding the sheets. Then I went upstairs also. My brother was cleaning his room and I helped him. After that, I was sweaty and decided to take a bath. My mother was worried because my sister had many homeworks and my brother was not helping her to accomplish them. I talked to her and made a compromise to help her finish her homeworks. And this is all for this week. Thanks everybody for listening.